Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We are your English teachers at Hibatullah Schools. We welcome you today and we hope and pray to see you happy each time and day. Today, we will start our first lesson. The material or the textbook title is Family and Friends. As you can see, this is our book and this is the cover page. Our textbook title is Family and Friends 5. If you notice that we have new characters which are different from what you have when you are in the 4th grade. Now, let's know our new friends or our new characters. First of all, this is Ed. This is Ed. This is Kate. This is Libby. And this is Finn. Again, this is Ed. This is Kate. This is Libby. And this is Finn. Okay. This is our unit in our textbook. The title is You Can Build It. The title is You Can Build It. أنت تستطيع بناؤه. Now, we'll move together and we will listen to our lesson. Please listen carefully. We will listen twice.
Listening 4. Listen and read. What is the DSD Club doing today?
Have fun at the club. What are you doing today?
Libby and Ed have written a play. It's really good. We've decided to build the set today. Dad's given us his tools.
Okay, I will read picture number 1 again. Have fun at the club. What are you doing today? Libby and Ed have written a play. It's really good. We've decided to build the set today. Dad's given us his tools. Now we will translate the conversation in picture number 1. رح نترجم الحوار اللي دار بالصورة رقم 1. Mom said, have fun at the club. استمتعوا في النادي. What are you doing today? ماذا ستفعلون اليوم? Kate said, Libby and Ed have written a play. Libby وإد قاموا بكتابة مسرحية. As you noticed, a play here is a noun. A play is a noun, not a verb. A play means مسرحية. It's really good. إنها فعلا جيدة. It said, we've decided to build the set today. لقد قررنا أن نبني ديكور المسرحية اليوم. Dad's given us his tools. قام والدي بإعطائنا الأدوات الخاصة بالبناء. Now we will listen to picture number 2. The conversation is between Libby and Finn. This is Libby and this is Finn. Listen carefully.
Finn has found lots of wood and some old sheets. We've brought some paint too.
Let's start work. I need to measure the wood with this tape measure.
Okay. Finn has found lots of wood and some old sheets. We brought some paint too. Let's start work. I need to measure the wood with this tape measure. We will translate it in Arabic. Picture number 2. Finn has found lots of wood and some old sheets. Finn وجد الكثير أو العديد من الأخشاب وبعض الأوراق القديمة. We brought some paint too. وقد قمنا بجلب الدهان أيضا. Finn said, let's start work. هيا بنا لنبدأ العمل. I need to measure the wood with this tape measure. أنا بحاجة أن أقوم بقياس هذه الأخشاب بواسطة أو باستخدام شريط القياس. لو احنا نحكي عنه المتر. Okay, Now we will move to picture number 3 and we will listen to the conversation between Finn, Ed, and Libby. Listen, please.
Now we need to join these together. Pass me that hammer and a nail, please, Kate.
What can I do? You can help me paint the sheets. You're good at art.
Okay. Now we need to join these together. Pass me that hammer and a nail, please, Kate. What can I do? You can help me paint the sheets. You are good at art. Now we need to join these together. الآن نحن بحاجة لضم هذه الأخشاب معا. Pass me that hammer and a nail, please, Kate. مرري لي تلك المطرقة ومسمار لو سمحتي, Kate. Ed said to Libby, this is Ed, said, what can I do? ماذا أستطيع أن أفعل؟ Libby answered him, جاوبته Libby, you can help me paint the sheets. أنت تستطيع أن تدهن أو ترسم معي على الأوراق. You are good at art. أنت جيد في الفن. Now, let's move to picture number 4. Listen, please.
We need to paint mountains and sky on the sheet. Okay, you can paint the sky. I'm going to paint the mountains.
We need to paint mountains and the sky on this sheet. Okay, you can paint the sky. I'm going to paint the mountains. Libby said, we need to paint mountains and sky on this sheet. نحن نريد أو نحن بحاجة أن نرسم جبال وسماء على هذه اللوحة. It said, okay, حسنا, you can paint the sky. أنت يا ليبي قومي برسم السماء. I'm going to paint the mountains. وأنا سوف أقوم برسم الجبال. Later, بعد ذلك, listen carefully to picture number 5. The conversation is between Kate and Finn. Listen, please.
Later?
This is great. I've never built a set before.
Well, you've done a good job.
Thanks. Let's go and see what Ed and Libby have done.
Okay. This is great. I've never built a set before. Well, you've done a good job. Thanks. Let's go and see what Ed and Libby have done. This is great. هذا رائع. I've never built a set before. لم أقم ببناء ديكور أو مجسم لمسرحية من قبل. Well, حسنا, you've done a good job. حسنا, لقد قمت بعمل جيد. Thanks. شكرا لك. Let's go and see what Ed and Libby have done. هيا بنا لنذهب ونرى ماذا قامت إد وليبي بفعله. Now, we will move to picture number 6. The conversation is between Finn and Libby. Let's listen carefully.
Oh, look! They're stuck in the middle.
Oh no! We can't move until the paint dries.
Finn said, oh look, انظري, they are stuck in the middle. لقد علقوا في المنتصف. Libby said, oh no, oh لا, we can't move until the paint dries. نحن لا نستطيع الحراك حتى تجف أو لغاية أن تجف هذه اللوحة. Okay, now we will move to exercise number 3. Read again and write true or false. Mom, have fun at the club. What are you doing today? Libby and Ed have written a play. It's really good. We've decided to build a set today. Dad's given us his tools. Let's move to number 1. Ed and Libby have written a story. That's false. Ed and Libby have written a play. لم يقوموا بكتابة قصة. قاموا بكتابة مسرحية. Number 2. Dad has given the children his tools. That's true. Ed said, Dad's given us his tools. This sentence is true. Sentence number 3. Finn asks Kate for a sheet. Okay, let's read if that's true or false. Finn, now we need to join these together. Pass me that hammer and a nail, please, Kate. So, this sentence is false. Finn asks Kate for, we delete a sheet and write hammer and a nail. Okay, sentence number 4. Libby paints the mountains. Libby رسمت الجبال. Let's move and see what we have. Libby said we need to paint mountains and sky on this sheet. Ed, okay, you can paint the sky. Ed said to Libby, you can paint the sky. So Libby will paint the sky and Ed is going to paint the mountains. وإد سوف يقوم برسم الجبال. We can answer this sentence in 2 ways. The first answer could be Libby paints the sky. We delete mountains and write sky. Libby paints the sky. Or we can delete Libby and write Ed. Ed paints the mountains. Sentence number 5. Kate is good at building. Kate جيدة في عمل البناء. That's false. This is great. I've never built a set before. Kate said إنها هي عمرها ما قامت ببناء مجسم أو ديكور من قبل. So this sentence is false. Sentence number 6. Libby and Ed can't move. Libby وإد لا يستطيعون الحراك. This is Libby and this is Ed. This sentence is true. Now I will show you all the answers. Sentence number 1 is false. Ed and Libby have written a play, not a story. Number 2, Dad has given the children his tools. That's true. Sentence number 3, Finn asked Kate for a sheet. That's false. Finn asks Kate for hammer and a nail. Number 4, Libby paints the mountains. This sentence is false. Libby paints the sky, or we can answer it by delete Libby, write Ed. Ed paints the mountains. Sentence number 5 is false. Kate is good at building. Kate is not good at building. Number 6, Libby and Ed can't move. This sentence is true. Okay, I will read the lesson again. Listen carefully, please. Have fun at the club. What are you doing today? Libby and Ed have written a play. It's really good. We've decided to build the set today. Dad's given us his tools. Picture number 2. Finn has found lots of wood and some old sheets. We brought some paint too. Let's start work. I need to measure the wood with this tape measure. Picture number 3. Now we need to join these together. Pass me that hammer and a nail, please, Kate. What can I do? You can help me paint the sheets. You are good at art. Picture number 4. We need to paint mountains and the sky on this sheet. Okay, you can paint the sky. I'm going to paint the mountains. Later, this is great. I've never built a set before. Well, you've done a good job. Thanks. Let's go and see what Ed and Libby have done. Picture number 6. Oh, look, they are stuck in the middle. Oh no, we can't move until the paint dries.